Welcome to Investor Web, your trusted guide in the world of economics and investment. We're here to demystify the complex universe of finance, making it accessible and engaging for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the world of economics, Investor Web is your go-to resource. Our goal is to provide you with insightful, fact-based content that can help you make informed decisions. We cover a broad range of topics, from investment strategies and market trends to deep dives into economic theories. Today we're taking a closer look at why capitalism is often hailed as the best economic system. We'll unpack the advantages, compare it with other systems, and discuss what this means for you as an investor. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Before we delve into the heart of our discussion today, let's first understand what an economic system is. Simply put, an economic system is a mechanism that a society uses to distribute its resources and trade goods and services. It's the engine that drives the economic activity of a nation, and it's shaped by the society's values, history, and political ideals. There are several types of economic systems, but today we'll focus on the three main ones: capitalism, socialism, and communism. Capitalism, in essence, is an economic system where private individuals or businesses own capital goods. The production of goods and services is based on supply and demand in the general market, often referred to as a market economy. Capitalism thrives on the principle of competition and the belief that individuals acting in their own self-interest create economic prosperity. Next, we have socialism. In a socialist system, the state owns and controls the major means of production. In some socialist economies, it's not the state but worker cooperatives that own and manage their enterprises. The main goal of socialism is to distribute wealth more evenly and to have a society where cooperation replaces competition. Lastly, we have communism, a system where, in theory, there is no private ownership and no class division. All property is communally owned and each person contributes and receives according to their ability and needs. It's a system that aspires for a utopian society, but in practice has often led to economic inefficiencies and lack of individual freedoms. These systems represent different ways societies organize economic activity, distribute resources, and respond to the fundamental economic problem of scarcity. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, and no one system is perfect. Now that we have set the stage, let's dive into the world of capitalism. Capitalism, a system that many nations have adopted and which has proven to be beneficial in numerous ways. Let's delve into the advantages of this ubiquitous economic model, the first of which is economic freedom. Capitalism is a system that champions individual rights, allowing anyone to start a business, set their own prices, and determine their own path to financial success. This freedom to choose one's economic destiny is a cornerstone of capitalism, serving as a powerful motivator that drives people to work harder, innovate, and strive for success. The second advantage is competition. In a capitalist economy, businesses are constantly vying for consumers' attention, and this competition leads to better products and services. It drives innovation, encourages efficiency, and results in lower prices for consumers. The marketplace becomes a bustling arena where the strongest, most innovative businesses rise to the top, and the ones unable to keep up fall by the wayside. Next, we have economic efficiency. Capitalism, with its emphasis on supply and demand, tends to allocate resources where they're most needed. If a product or service is in high demand, more resources will be allocated to its production. This dynamic allocation of resources, driven by market forces, ensures that goods and services are produced efficiently and cater to the needs and wants of consumers. Fourth on our list is political freedom. Capitalism and democracy often go hand in hand. The freedom to choose in the marketplace mirrors the freedom to vote in a democracy. Both systems value individual choice and encourage active participation. They promote a society where people have the freedom to make choices, express opinions, and shape their own future. Finally, capitalism is a hotbed for growth and innovation. The potential for profit incentivizes individuals and businesses to develop new ideas, technologies, and solutions. This constant drive for innovation leads to economic growth and progress. It's why we've seen such rapid technological advancement in capitalist societies. From the smartphones in our pockets to the electric cars on our roads, capitalism has fueled a wave of innovation that has transformed our lives in countless ways. But, and there's always another but, capitalism isn't without its drawbacks. It can lead to income inequality, overconsumption, and environmental degradation, among other issues. However, with appropriate regulations and safeguards, many of these issues can be mitigated. Capitalism, like any system, isn't perfect, but its advantages, economic freedom, competition, efficiency, political freedom, and the potential for growth and innovation, make it a compelling choice for many nations. It's a system that rewards hard work and innovation, encourages competition, and promotes individual freedom. Indeed, capitalism has its perks, but how does it fare when compared to other economic systems? It's one thing to understand the benefits of capitalism, but it's another to see how it stacks up against other economic systems. Let's begin with socialism. In a socialist system, the government owns and controls key areas of the economy with the intent to distribute wealth evenly among the population. While this may sound appealing, it often results in a lack of motivation for innovation and competition, as people have less incentive to increase their productivity when everyone receives the same benefits. In contrast, capitalism encourages innovation and competition as individuals and businesses strive to increase their wealth. This leads to economic growth and the creation of wealth, which benefits society as a whole. Next, let's compare capitalism to communism. In a communist system, the government owns all property and controls all aspects of the economy. This eliminates economic classes, but it also removes the incentive for hard work and innovation. Without the ability to profit from their ideas and labor, people often lack motivation to strive for excellence. In contrast, capitalism provides incentives for individuals to work hard and be creative, leading to innovation and progress. Moreover, capitalism allows for the freedom of choice. Individuals can choose what to buy, where to work, or what business to start, based on their personal preferences and skills. This is not the case in socialist or communist systems, where these decisions are often made by the government. Capitalism also promotes efficiency. Since businesses are driven by profit, they strive to reduce costs and improve productivity. This is not always the case in socialist and communist systems, where inefficiencies are often overlooked as there is less pressure to be profitable. However, it's important to note that capitalism is not without its flaws. It can lead to income inequality and can sometimes fail to provide for those who are unable to compete effectively. This is why many countries adopt a mixed economy, combining elements of capitalism with some level of government intervention to address these issues. So, as we can see, capitalism has a unique set of advantages that often make it the preferred choice. That brings us to the end of our enlightening journey through capitalism. In the past 10 minutes, we've traversed the landscape of economic systems, focusing on capitalism. We've discovered that capitalism is not just an economic system, but a catalyst for innovation, a driver of competition, and a promoter of freedom and choice. Let's briefly recap our journey. We've learned that capitalism is a system where private individuals or businesses own capital goods. This private ownership and control over the means of production lead to a self-regulating market, driven by the laws of supply and demand. It's a system that thrives on competition, spurring businesses to constantly innovate, improve, and strive for efficiency. We've also highlighted the advantages of capitalism. It promotes economic growth by providing an open competition in the market. It rewards hard work and innovation, encouraging businesses and individuals to strive for success. It also provides consumers with a wide range of choices, allowing them to make decisions that best suit their needs and wants. Comparing capitalism to other economic systems, we've found that it offers greater opportunities for prosperity and upward mobility. While no system is without its flaws, the benefits of capitalism, such as economic freedom, competition, and the potential for growth, far outweigh its drawbacks. We've also acknowledged that capitalism encourages entrepreneurial ventures, which are vital for economic growth and innovation. It's these ventures that create jobs, increase wealth, and improve the standard of living. In conclusion, capitalism has proven to be a robust and dynamic system that fosters growth, innovation, and individual freedom. It's a system that rewards effort and ingenuity, promotes competition, and provides opportunities for all. Thank you for joining us on Investor Web today. Don't forget to subscribe and share our content with others who may find it beneficial. Until next time, keep investing and keep growing.